Welcome back to M. Ratthich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Chen Meng upsets Fan Zhendong in a thrilling battle. Hi, welcome back. The battle of the best male table tennis player versus the best female player. Chen Meng versus Fan Zhendong. Who is stronger, Chen Meng versus Fan Zhendong? In a gripping match that had table tennis enthusiasts on the edge of their seats, Fan Zhendong, the reigning world number one on the World Table Tennis WTT rankings, clashed with Chen Meng, a formidable opponent known for her exceptional skills. With Fan Zhendong's powerhouse backhand and forehand strokes pitted against Chen Meng's strategic prowess, the stage was set for an epic showdown. Fan Zhendong, the number one in the WTT ranking, Fan Zhendong, hailed as a powerhouse in the table tennis realm, has earned his rightful place as the number one player in the world. Armed with a formidable backhand and explosive forehand, Fan Zhendong exudes sheer strength and precision in his every shot. However, it seems that Fan Zhendong has fallen into the backhand-to-backhand counter-attacking style of Chen Meng. Chen Meng, the strategic maestro. Chen Meng, a highly skilled player, possesses a strategic acumen that sets her apart. While not as renowned for raw power as Fan Zhendong, she compensates with her exceptional control and tactical brilliance. Chen Meng plays near the table and her backhand counterattack is very fast. The battle unfolds, Fan Zhendong versus Chen Meng. As the match commenced, anticipation filled the air, with spectators eagerly awaiting the clash between Fan Zhendong's dominating style and Chen Meng. The intense exchanges marked by lightning-quick rallies and precise shot placement. Fan Zhendong lost to Chen Meng. Fan Zhendong, true to his reputation, unleashed a barrage of powerful attacks, testing Chen Meng's defensive prowess. The match started at 8-6 for Chen Meng, because men are often stronger than females in table tennis. The male players should give up 2 points for the female players. At the end, Fan Zhendong lost to Chen Meng.
一上来并不是像0-0一样打一些常规的套路都是去练自己。还是开场球，樊振东有手已经识破了。7-9，一旋转发一个出台的反拉。还是翻逆旋转到正手短的再紧接着9-9。正手短球，哇，这男，哎呦，这球偷的不错，漂亮漂亮。看一板之后反手的一个反拉，10平，再扛3板， 还是开场球，想要一个搏杀，跟2比1领先。蒙发球 ，light， 可以代入一下啊，如果这是奥运会上，现在是关键分的9比8。哦哈，反拉。甚至是可以赢的，但是对面毕竟呢是世界第1的樊振东，哎，这还是弯逆旋转到中路，连续2梦呢是在第4局扳回一局，两人现在形成2比2。知道。陈梦领先2分，不仅是这个关键分，而且是关键局的关键分。正手短，摆短，反手相持，扛一板。这个接他会手腕上会抖一下，会晃住对手。换到中路来发，发正手短。嘿呦，这是个机。漂亮的第5局，目前大比分上是3比2领先。太短了，这个球就至关重要了。Light， 还是发正手短，好球，再来，哎呦，樊振东直接。女孩过来的球，在樊振东面前啊，确实就显得有点轻了。逆旋转，侧身抢拉，陈梦也防得不错。
好，辛苦了，没问题。
哇，好球啊！也希望陈梦能够记住这一刻的感觉啊，把它带到奥运会上。哇，漂亮！现在形势还是非常大的。逆旋转，上手侧身，哇！哈哈，这球反正陈梦拿到局点。逆旋转，发到反手短，连续发力，哎，这是个幸运球，漂亮！出手咬了回来，艰难的扳回了第6局，两人现在呢是打到了3比3。那么接下来呢将是还是开场球，哇，好球哦！世界女子第1的反手哈。Light A7， 好球，拉了一个直线。哇，陈梦拿到7比10，也是希望他们在时候能够灵光一现，想到今天在赛场上的出手。还是开场球，反手相持扛住了，樊振东率先变现。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, pingsunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.